Hey everybody, outside the shop, gonna do a little carving for you. Today we're gonna be using the MS 193C. This is a new saw for me. If you haven't seen it yet, I did a review on this saw. You'll be able to follow a link somewhere throughout this video. You can check that out. In that video, I told you guys I would do some carving with just this saw, see how it performs by itself, and this is that video. So I think we'll do this video in real time. We'll see how this performs. Just going to do a bear in this this chunk of wood here. Not sure what the style is going to be yet. We'll just see what happens as I get going. This bear, like many other smaller bears, will be in my Etsy shop for sale. You'll have to go down in the description. You'll find a link to that. You can go there, make a purchase, all that good stuff. Also, if you haven't already, hit subscribe. There's a link under the video. If you're on your phone or something, scroll down a little, you'll see subscribe. Just hit that, you know. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. With that said, I'm going to get my headgear on, turn on some tunes, fire up this saw, and I don't know, create something out of this piece of wood.
Ran out of gas.
Well, not too bad. I gotta tell you, I like the way that saw feels in my hands. That thing cuts nice. Nice new chain on it. I mean, most saws cut nice with a new chain on them, but being able to maneuver that saw, just the way those grips are set up, I really like it. I like it a lot better than the 170s. I can tell you that right now. Gonna grab the camera, walk you guys around. You can see the bear I just did. Alright, the wind's being difficult today, so hopefully it's not too loud. Here he is, though. Does need a little bit of clean-up work with the saw still. I figure this is good enough for this video. I will end up using some power tools and things. You can find links to those tools in the description. Be sure to bookmark those links and shop through them. It'll help support my channel. So if you look at this guy, he's got an arm coming down here over a log. He's got an arm coming through the log holding on here. Go around to the back. He's kind of just standing in the back of a log, you know, it's coming down. So as I said, as of right now, this carving was 100% done with the MS 193C, this one right here. And I will say I really like this saw already. Might be my favorite saw. I know that's a stretch because this is my first barrel with it, but I really like it. Feels really good in the hands. I don't know, just the hand placement and the way the controls are. And yeah, I think I'm in love. I might be in love. What's up? How's it going? You know, as always, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.